to another video. We're out on the lake today. Better scenery than the house. Babe's here, and we are tubing. We got the tube in the water. I've been showing her, and she's been practicing, pulling me, and she did really good so far. We have the wakeboard we just picked up last night. It is a hydro slide. It's a 137. I'm 200 pounds, so it's a little small for me, but we're gonna give it a shot today. Babe may try it, she may not, but I'm trying to get some tubing shots of the boat pulling the tube. We're gonna get a lot more on our 4th of July video, but for now, she's doing really good, really flinging me out, so I'm gonna put the GoPro on the side of the boat, and we'll go from there. Now we're gonna get risky. I look like an Oompa Loompa here. Babe's over there, boat's over there. I'm gonna hold this, not fall in, not lose it, so we can get a shot. We're gonna have to edit a lot of this. She's doing really good. So, I don't have the right GoPro stuff, and this selfie stick is, it's wobbly. See? Wobbly. So, if you can see as we get closer, babe, can you pull me in? So, as you can see, what we did is just me and her. So, I went to I went to Academy Sports, and I got an Atwood tow mirror, which I'm going to do another review on, so stay tuned for that one. But as you can see, it looks awesome. Wrap up this tubing video. Hope it helps. 75 horse Mercury, plenty of power. We didn't get any wakeboard clips today, but we will next time. For now, tubing is complete. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you on the next one.